AI-powered editing. Now, let's talk about AI-powered editing. Filmora is shaking up the market with insane AI tools. You can generate scripts, images, and even extend music using... Hi everyone, welcome back to TryTech AB. If you're editing videos on mobile in 2025, you need to know the best apps out there. These days, every creator is using 3D editing and motion graphics. And if you're not using AI-powered tools, your videos might look, well, a bit outdated. But don't worry. In this video, I'll break down the top editing apps for different types of videos and share my personal editing process. So, let's jump right in. VN Editor, disappointed and critical. First, let's talk about VN Editor. If you're still using this app in 2025, aho, it's time to move on. VN has very limited features, outdated transitions, and some pretty basic effects. Biggest downside? If you're editing faceless videos, you can only use 5 layers. That's way too restrictive. And don't even get me started on the frustrating audio editing experience. The only good thing, VN is free, has no watermark, and supports full HD exports. But compared to newer tools, VN just doesn't cut it anymore. InShot, encouraging but limited. Next up is InShot. If you're just starting out, this is actually a pretty solid choice. You get cool features like background removal and a huge sticker library with PNGs and logos. But here's the catch. You can only work with 4 layers, and most animations, paid. If you're looking for basic editing, InShot is okay. But for serious video production, not so much. KineMaster, surprising and positive. Now, let's talk about KineMaster. Some people think this app is bad, but honestly, they're wrong. KineMaster is constantly updated with new features, supports unlimited layers, and has a built-in store full of transitions, effects, and templates. For faceless videos, this is a fantastic choice. Of course, there's a paid version, but hold on, we'll talk about that later. CapCut, the most popular choice. Alright, let's get into the most popular choice. CapCut. This is the app I use to edit videos for this channel, and here's why. Text effects, sound effects, transitions, all built in. Stabilization, background removal, masking, next level stuff. Today, I have an exciting tip for all the video editors out there who love CapCut as much as I do. If you're tired of pro features being locked behind a paywall, don't worry, I've got you covered. Let's talk about how you can enjoy all the amazing CapCut features for free. But there's one small issue. You need an internet connection to use some effects. And since CapCut is banned in some regions, you might need a VPN to access it. Still, if that's not a problem, CapCut is hands down a fantastic editing app. Filmora, AI-powered editing. Now, let's talk about AI-powered editing. Filmora is shaking up the market with insane AI tools. You can generate scripts, images, and even extend music using AI. This app can literally save you hours of editing work. But here's the deal. Filmora is paid and most features are cloud-based, meaning you can't bypass the payment. If you want the most advanced AI tools, this app is worth every penny. Alight Motion, the best for motion graphics. If you want to take your edits to a whole new level, Alight Motion is the king of motion graphics. Advanced keyframing, deep glow effects, high-level 3D editing. It's basically After Effects, but for your phone. But it does have one flaw. Sometimes it lags, and it doesn't have built-in text animations like CapCut. Still, for motion graphics, this is the best mobile app available. Which app should you use? Alright, let's sum it up. If you just need basic editing, VN is fine. For faceless videos with sound effects, KineMaster is better. If you want AI-powered tools and can pay, Filmora is unbeatable. For motion graphics and high-level animation, Alight Motion wins. But my personal pick, CapCut. It has the best balance of features, ease of use, and professional tools. Excited and friendly tone. So that's my list of the best mobile editing apps for 2025. Which one do you use? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a video. See you in the next one.